Oh, I'm okay. Like that. You can see her. Yeah, there you go. Oh, you get some clips like. Teddy, you can't. You're getting your hair.
You're being cute.
Wait.
Hi, Mom.
Ready?
Hi.
Bubba Bear. Oh, I know you want some lovely clips. Oh, no, no, no. You should do an alley rubber.
I got some really cool clips of his like his breath coming out as a.
Oh, that's cool. I'll show
It out and the wind was and the sun was coming through the door.
really. Mama Bethany.
Yep. I will. Hi.
Okay. No, thank you.
Oh no. Only for snookers.
Oh, Snuggle. Snuggle.
I'm so sorry. Are you taking video?
Oh, I'm taking video.
Good. I was still stand still for this. Did you hear Riley went to Kentucky?
He did?
Yeah, with a Cinto.
Aww.
Really sad.
See the left?
Yeah.
Aww. Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, not my ears.
Get away from me.
Oh, there we go. Oh my god. These needles are tight.
Oh, he's not doing it.